Ah, oh, that's hot. That's hot. Hey, people, Kiara here from My Digi Affiliate, and today we're going to be promoting the $25 all-in-one digital business using TikTok and very simple TikTok videos, essentially. So, all right, make sure to like, comment, subscribe. The links are in the description in case you want to follow along with what I'm doing. Now let's get started. All right, so anyway, guys, let's get over here to TikTok mobile video. So all we doing really is essentially using the same format and changing the quote. That's it. That's all we doing. Changing the quote, maybe change the colors around. That's it. And so to find our quote first, we go to Pinterest. Since Pinterest um layout is very similar to TikTok when it comes to the like shape of the quote and stuff, so we know it looks good. So we just put in like something like motivational quote for success. Motivation. This is something I need to learn more of. Don't be afraid to fail, be afraid not to try. That's why we trying a bunch of stuff anyway, so that kind of speaks to me a little bit. Okay, don't be afraid to fail, be afraid not to try. Let's pick that. All right. I feel like I'm spelling it wrong. Did I spell afraid wrong? I don't know. When I get to typing in front of you guys, I start feeling like I'm just forgetting how to do stuff. Anyway, spell. Anyway, let's make it a little smaller. Hold on, I like that. Right there. I like that. So we're gonna click on the background. That. What color we're gonna use? Over like an orange. I like orange. I do like super orange. Okay. And then pick the type yes. Alright, so we got the message. Now we just need to change the video in the bike and the song. Let's delete that track. Find a video. I wanna stretch this. I wanna stretch this out. Alright. That good. Alright, so for the video we're gonna go to Pexels, guys, and we're just gonna look in luxury videos. That's what we're searching on. And when you search on the luxury, you get some nice beaches and stuff, or something like that. Hold on for a second. My mouse broke for a second. Sorry about it. Trying to make sure I didn't use the video before. I definitely used that. Have not used that one now. So I definitely used that. It's gonna look a little. Let's pick beach and see. Beach video. There we go. Oh, nice. Oh, get some more. I like. Go with it. So we'll go with this video. We'll just pull it up over here like that. It'll pop up. We should be able to. There we go. You'll be able to replace background. Just that simple. Alright, now we just need a song. So we go to a song, we go to Chill Secure. Let's click on motivational. I'm gonna turn the volume down just a little bit. I like that. Do I got that song? I feel like I got that. Oh look guys, for the audio. Got Epic Story. I do get. Okay. I already used it then. Hold up. I got Epic Story, not Epic Trailer. I do not have that. Okay. Sorry about that, guys. Let's turn it back up just in case. Okay. Alright, I understand now. Alright, so we're gonna download Epic Trailer here. Boom, boom, boom. Just put it in. Make sure it's at volume like 8 or 10, somewhere around now. I'm gonna put it about 8. A little loud. That'll do fine. Whatever. Okay, that's a pretty good video. That's pretty good TikTok, guys. So we're gonna just download this. Real simple. Like. And so now we're gonna go to TikTok. We might as well check and see how well our TikTok's been doing lately. Alright guys, so nothing crazy like 500, 400, 200, stuff like that. And only like 16 followers, 103 likes. So it's not crazy, so to speak. But you know, it's pretty good. So we're gonna copy what I posted before and just change the words around a little bit, guys. We'll go to upload. And let's check the times. Today is Sunday. Oh, I need to get one out in a minute. It's 5:30 right now, so yeah, I gotta get one at 7 a.m. Okay. Let's say the best time to post. We're just gonna post on those times, so to speak. Song done yet? No, quite. Alright. We'll do this. Pick 7 o'clock. All it takes. And we just wait on our video to finish. Type something here. That's something. Here. Okay. Get rid of this. Okay. Got it. All right, and that's it, guys. Boom, boom, boom. Done. See how easy that was, guys? Very simple to do. And we're just gonna do that every day for now, guys. And I'm just gonna show you guys how to do that. And I'm gonna follow the same pattern I've been doing, which has been working. I'm getting followers. I got like 16 followers so far. It's not crazy fast, but it's growing. And as soon as I get to I think it was 1,000 followers, I unlocked the ability to put a link in my description, and people gonna start signing up with the program. $25 all-in business. That's the way this is gonna work. And yeah, guys, that's all there is to it. The links are in the description below. Like I stated before, make sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.